Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonderful world of mindfulness meditation. Today, we're going to talk about 5 incredible benefits of mindfulness meditation that can transform your life. So sit back and relax. Mindfulness meditation has been shown to have a profound impact on our mental well-being. By practicing mindfulness, we learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. This helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and promotes a greater sense of calm and clarity. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get overwhelmed and lose focus. But mindfulness meditation can help. Regular practice improves our ability to concentrate and stay present in the moment. It trains our minds to be more focused, which can greatly benefit our work, studies, and everyday tasks. Stress has become a common part of our lives, but mindfulness meditation offers a powerful antidote. By bringing our attention to the present moment, we can break free from the cycle of worry and anxiety. Mindfulness helps activate the relaxation response in our bodies, reducing stress levels and promoting a greater sense of well-being. Life's challenges can sometimes feel overwhelming, but mindfulness meditation can help us build emotional resilience. By cultivating awareness of our emotions and learning to respond rather than react, we become better equipped to handle difficult situations. Mindfulness helps us develop a compassionate and non-judgmental attitude towards ourselves and others. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. By paying attention to our thoughts, sensations, and emotions, we develop a deep understanding of ourselves. This self-awareness fosters empathy and compassion for others, strengthening our relationships and enhancing our overall sense of connection. And there you have it, 5 amazing benefits of mindfulness meditation that can truly transform your life. Whether you're new to meditation or have been practicing for years, incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can bring about profound positive changes. So why wait? Start your mindfulness journey today. Thank you for joining us on this mindfulness meditation exploration. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.